Choosing the right adhesive converter can make or break your product long before it ever reaches the hands of a customer. With a number of converters in the world, it's easy to feel uncertain about who actually has the capabilities, certifications, and experience your project demands. In this video, we break down what a 3M preferred converter truly is, explain the criteria you should use to evaluate potential partners, and show how a trusted converter like Strouse fits in the picture. A 3M converter refers to a manufacturing partner that 3M trusts to take its raw adhesive materials and transform them into custom engineered parts. These companies have a designated level which is either preferred or select. 3M converters have direct access to 3M's most advanced materials along with guidance from 3M's laboratory and engineering teams. Their status also positions them higher in 3M's supply chain, often resulting in faster lead times and smoother communication for end customers. Ultimately, a 3M converter is a specialized partner trusted to convert 3M adhesives into precise, functional components tailored for complex product designs. Selecting the right 3M converter can look differently depending on your company, your priorities, and what you are trying to achieve. There are some factors that you might need to consider before deciding which converter to work with, depending on your application. One of the most important factors is whether the converter's capabilities such as die cutting, slitting, printing, laminating, or automated assembly. This determines whether they can consistently produce tight tolerance parts in the shapes, formats, and quantities your design requires. Next, prototyping is also important because early sampling, functional testing, and iterative design collaboration reduce risk and prevent over-engineered or unnecessarily expensive specifications. Third, looking at their certifications such as ISO 9001 for general manufacturing quality or ISO 13485 for medical device production also signal a converter's compliance with strict industry standards, while FDA registration may be essential for medical applications. The last certification you want to look for is if the converter has an ISO cleanroom. These are essential for parts that need to be kept clear from specific particles. Another meaningful point to be aware of is the converter's relationships with material suppliers, which ensures they can recommend optimized or alternative materials that improve performance or reduce cost. Lastly, budget always enters the conversation, but the lowest quote can come with high long-term risks, such as defects or inefficient processes. The ideal 3M converter balances cost with expertise, offering trial runs, collaborative engineering, and informed material selections to protect both product performance and financial viability. At Strouse, we have a long-standing relationship with 3M, and we just reached over 30 years of partnership experience. We specialize in combining advanced manufacturing capabilities, extensive prototyping options, and industry-required certifications to support customers from concept development through high-volume production. If you're interested in learning more about working with a 3M preferred converter, feel free to visit our Learning Center for more videos and articles, or you can reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.